So here we have someone with long tailbone length hair. The hair is then placed into two ponytails. Stylist begins to cut. And she ends up getting a cute little asymmetrical pixie undercut. Very nice. So here we have someone with long waist length hair yet again. The hair is then cut right off into another stylish pixie. Now this is such a cute pixie shape. I love the amount of volume and height that she has with this. Very fashion forward style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today's video is going to feature nothing but pixie hairstyles. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair into a pixie, you are going to love today's video and we hope that it does inspire you to make a major hair change. Next up, we have someone who decided to switch things up with the color blocking hair color trend. She's got a nice little mix here of black, copper, and red. Very cute and pretty unique hair color combo. And then we see a pixie hair color change. So she goes from blonde to the contrasting color trend of platinum and black. Next up, we have this really cute Peter Pan pixie style. She's got the longer sideburns here with this one. Very popular hair trend that we're seeing at the moment. Really adds a nice amount of edge. And then we have the boyfriend pixie cut. Now this particular pixie has more of like a relaxed, chill vibe to it. Followed by this beautiful pixie undercut style. This one has a little bit more structure. I love that color that she has here with the blonde. It's kind of like a honey blonde tone. Very pretty. Gorgeous amount of shade work. And I love how she paired it with that red lip. So pretty. Next up, we have someone who went from mid-length hair to this gorgeous asymmetrical pixie cuts. So hair is, of course, longer on one side versus the other. Super cute style. And then we have someone that looks like she might have alopecia. The hair is kind of thinning there on the sides, the back, and the front. But the stylist does a great job of giving her this very cute pixie cut. Nice amount of choppy layer texture here. And the hair has been covered in all those thinning areas. So here we have someone that looks like she has a grown out bob, beautiful platinum hair. This stylist looks like, I've seen his work before, but he always looks like he's just so in the zone when he's cutting the hair. Like you just know he's gonna do a good job. So he does like a nice pixie bob shape. Now this is great if you do want to keep some more length going in the front, shorter in the back. Very cute style. And then we have another play on the pixie bob. She does have a little bit more hair in the front than the previous style. Followed by another color transformation, a little bit of a trim. Hair has been bleached and it looks like she's going platinum. Oh, wow. Now this is like a beautiful bright blonde platinum hue. Then we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's getting a pixie bob style. So this one features a really strong amount of bob going there in the front. Like she has way more hair in the front than she does in the back. So this would be like a longer variation of the pixie bob style. Very cute look. And you get to maintain a lot of length with this particular cut. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.